First step, wash and dry your fruit. To wash your fruit, take a large bowl and place your fruit inside it in your sink. Pour water into your bowl and rub your hands along the fruit, making sure you take off any dirt that you find, keeping it under the water to make sure that all of the dirt falls into the water. Now pour your bowl into a strainer in your sink. And now you can dry your fruit one by one with a paper towel or a kitchen towel. Set your fruit aside. Now we're ready for the next step. Let's zest 1 orange and 1 lemon. Juice 1 orange and 1 lemon. Next, peel your other orange and remove the skin from the pulp. And add the pulp to your serving bowl. It's really important when you're cooking in the kitchen to make sure it's nice and clean, right? We want to make sure it's clean and that we can assess, we can get to everything that we need. So we're going to wipe this down, and we recommend that whenever you're cooking, if it starts to get too messy, don't feel afraid to stop, clean up your station, and then get back to cooking. We're going to do that right now. Okay. These side. Next, we'll work on our apples. Cut your apples into bite-sized pieces and add them to your serving bowl. Pour in the orange juice and lemon juice now, along with your olive oil and salt and pepper. Now add your cranberries and sunflower seeds. Now mix, taste, and adjust for seasoning, adding more salt if you need to. Add your zest on top. The zest will be both a garnish and adding an extra flavor on top. And you're done. You've made your zesty citrus apple salad. All you need to do now is serve it up and enjoy.
Did you know that oranges come from evergreen trees that can grow up to 30 feet tall and live over 100 years? And tell this one to your parents. 1 orange has all the vitamin C you need for a day. And it would take 7 bowls of cornflakes to get the same amount of fiber you'll get from just this 1 orange. And the most amazing fact is, oranges don't get their name for their color. They actually get it from the Sanskrit languages, which means fragrance, and actually has more to do with their smell than with their color. And that's fun food facts about oranges.